Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today our topic is uh, how to get loan from American Express Bank. So before we started our video, please make sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. Pros explained. Excellent customer satisfaction about American Express. American Express received top customer satisfaction ratings in recently in recent in ratings in recent surveys by J.D. Power, including being ranked as a top card issuer for 2 years in a row and offering one of the best personal loans of 2021. No organization fees. You won't have to pay an organization fee for American Express personal loan. Similarly, the average APR of 13.98% charged for these personal loans uh, based on an estimate of the interest charge you will pay and relevant fees compares favorably to competitions. You can use your loan funds for various purposes, including consolidating debt from up for non-American Express credit cards. Once you are approved for the loan proceeds can be sent directly to your credit card issuer in installments of at least $1,000. You can only get an American Express personal loan if you are an eligible cardholder who has received a pre-approval offer. American Express uses a pre-approval process to identify cardholders eligible for personal loan. If you decide to apply for a loan, the company will review your financial condition and creditworthiness to confirm. Company will review your financial conditions and creditworthiness to confirm that you are qualified for the loan. Unfortunately, the specific qualification it uses in these evaluations, minimum credit scores or income thresholds are not disclosed. You can only get personal loans with repayment terms ranging from 12 to 36 months with American Express. American Express is an established global credit card issuer that also offers personal loans to eligible cardholders. While personal loans from American cards are not as large as what you can get with many other providers. Its APRs of 7.98% to 19.98 are excellent. Plus, J.D. Power recently ranked it among top personal loan providers with high customer satisfaction ratings. American Express was founded in 1850 and headquartered in New York City, one of the largest global payment companies offering a variety of credit cards and financial products. American Express card holders, the loans can be used to cover a wide variety of expenses. You can't use the proceeds from the personal loans to pay down the balances on an existing American Express card or for business expenses, real estate, or vehicle purchases. American Express offers an unsecured personal loan that can be used for several purposes. Some of the eligible uses of American Express personal loan include existing credit card debit consolidations, home renovations. You can't use a personal loan from American Express for business purpose or to buy a vehicle, purchase real estate, pay for course. Only eligible American Express cardholders are eligible for this personal loan. To qualify, you need to have an acceptable level of card worthiness. You can apply for a personal loan if you receive a pre-approval from American Express, which has no impact on your credit score. It can take 3 to 5 business days to receive funds from the personal loan with American Express after you sign your loan agreement. If you don't have bank account on record with American Express or want to the funds deposited to a different bank account, you will first need to verify your bank account, which can take a couple of days. This timeline is typically for a One of the key features of an American Express personal loan is that you can use the proceeds to consolidate debt. You won't pay any organization fee, something that often charged by the providers. When you are approved for an American Express personal loan, you can use the loan proceeds to consolidate for existing credit cards into single monthly permanent directly to the credit card in amounts of at least $1,000 per card. You will need to request at least $3,500 in funding across all of the credit cards you want to consolidate. Unlike many other personal loan providers, American Express doesn't charge any organization fee on its personal loan. To apply for a personal loan with American Express, you will need to do personal loans from American Express are only available to eligible card holders, so the first step is to log into your American Express card member account to see if you are pre-approved for a personal loan. If you are pre-approved, you will be able to see how much you can potentially borrow up to $40,000 and an estimate of the interest rate you will pay. Potentially borrow up $40,000 and an estimate for the interest rate you will pay. You will complete a quick application online. Besides providing basic personal information including the loan's purpose and your total income, you will select how much you want to borrow. Want to be funds sent. It usually takes a second after applying to see if you are approved. Once your loan is approved, you will receive an offer and will need to review the loan terms. The terms work for you. You will then accept the offering and digitally sign the loan documents. Receive your loan funds. Your loan funds will generally be sent to the bank account or credit card account specified in your application with 3 to 5 business days of signing the loan documents. Take care when entering this information, as your loan will be cancelled. Your account can be verified. You can't refinance personal loan with American Express. You can also change the due date of your payment, which will be set when you approve for personal loan. However, you can prepay your business personal loan early without being charged prepayment penalty. American Express was listed as the highest ranking personal loan lender in the J.D. Power 2021 Consumer Lending Satisfaction Study with a score of 874 points out of 1000 possible points and compared to a segment average of 858. So guys, this is the information that you can get help from getting loan from American Express card. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon for more interesting videos. So goodbye.